Bye, honey.
Bye now.
Come on.
I'm stuck on a story.
Come on.
You have a stuck on a
You
story.
gotta catch your flight.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, but I don't have my
Don't be
passport.
late. Don't be late.
That's okay. They're pretty lenient here.
I don't have my passport.
So,
No.
which one do you want to go on? You want to go on that one, or you want to go on that one?
I think the Cuban one looks a little safer.
All right. All right. I'll miss you, baby.
Oh,
Bye.
really? Hasta la vista. Incredible.
And the goat protects the plane.
Yeah, well, the goat can't go because he's tied to it.
Actually, you know what that is? That's a sheep. You know how you know the difference between a goat and a sheep? This is really good information for all you YouTubers out there. The difference between a goat and a sheep is goats have tails up and sheep have tails down. Always. See how his tail's down? Pointing down?
Yeah, well, he's
That's a sheep.
staying on the ground with me.
Exactly.
He's on my side.
So that is a sheep.
Yeah, you're on my side.
And this is a Cuban plane. As you can see, it's made out of a 350 Chevy engine. Out of a 57 Chevy, yeah. Look at the props. They're wooden props. You know, I've got a good set of tools. I think I can fix this. I'm pretty sure I can fix this.
Oh my God, look at the windshield.
I should have brought an Eric Stone band. This was the nose cone. Look at that. This is from the invasion when America invaded. And that's what's left of the cockpit. Not a whole lot. Very cool.